for all the martial artists out there. Today's sequence focuses on the hips, strengthening and stretching them for the movements that you would be doing in martial arts, particularly. Grab a chair for some balance, and let's get started. So let's begin in Tadasana for 1 moment. Close your eyes so that you get centered. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. See if you can stand evenly on your right and left leg. Look down at your feet. Make sure that they're both parallel and fix them. Just adjust if you need to. Close your eyes once more. One more breath. State your intentions for your practice. And then allow your eyes to open. And let's bring our legs together for a moving chair. So you have your chair with the back of the seat, the back chair back facing you. And it's just there for balance right now. And then moving Utkatasana, chair pose, fierce pose. So bend the knees, hips go back, arms go up, inhale and exhale. Warming up your lower body, inhale up, exhale down. Oh yeah, the arms too. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, hands in front of your heart. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist right. Inhale, center. Again, both sides. Sink maybe deeper. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center, and exhale. Twist to the other side. Inhale, center. Stand in Tadasana. Now hands to the chair for balance again. And let us stand on our, I'm going to turn out to the side. You can turn out to the side. Take your right knee, left knee, lift it up in the air, knee bent. Scoop your left hip under a lot and take the knee out to the side, center. Out to the side, center. Out to the side, center. Now bring your leg into Vrksasana or tree pose so the foot goes to the inside of the right leg, either above or below the knee. And then you're going to move same action with the knee. So knee goes into center and then scoop the hip under, left hip under to open the knee. And then close and then open. And one more. Close and then open. And then we're still on this side. Take this left knee to meet your right knee. Keep the left foot in the air behind you. And then, just to show, you're going to take that heel up and then down. Leg curls. Up and down. Imagine you're about to grab your foot, but you don't do it. And one more. Up and then down. Now, from here, I know we're still on the same side. Moving from here, stand on your left leg. And we're going to go from here to crescent. So you can grab hold of the chair if you need to. Inhale. And then exhale, you're stepping back into that high lunge. Right knee is bent 90 degrees. So adjust your chair how you need. And then exhale forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. And inhale back. And exhale forward. Now switch to the other side. And you're going to move the right leg now, all those actions. Stand on your left leg strongly. Inhale, right leg up, knee bent. And then knee out to the side. And then center. Out to the side. And then center. Really use your glutes to open the knee. And back to center. And then place the foot wherever it will go on your inner thigh. If you want more ab work, try not using your hands. And then you use your hands. Okay, knee goes in and out, in and out, And then one more. And out. And then leg curls. So you just take your knee to knee. And then that right heel goes up and down. So you'll feel your hamstrings getting stronger. Bend and straighten. And bend and straighten. And now Tadasana. Adjust your chair so you have room. And step the right leg back and center. Again, the front knee stays right over the ankle and back. Inhale, step it back. Chest lifted, exhale, step it forward. Now let's go to the other side. So move. So now we're going to add on stand facing your chair, and we're going to just add on to that moving crescent. So to go slow the first time, inhale, step your left leg back. And then on the exhale, there's the fun bit. Ready? You got to use your abs. And you don't need the chair. If you don't need the chair, great, but I'm going to use it. You lift that back knee all the way up. Remember that first exercise we did? Out to the side, back to center, and set it down. And then step the leg back. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, knee goes up, out, center, down. One more. Inhale, crescent, really opening up the hip. Exhale, up, and using abs, out to the sides, into center, and then lowering down. Good. Now go to the other side. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale for nothing. Inhale, right leg back. So you'll notice if your back knee wants to bend, that's fine for today. And then exhale, right knee up, out to the side, center, and then down. If you wanted to play with your balance, you could take your hands to your hips, fine. Inhale up, out to the side, back to center, down, with or without the chair. Inhale, crescent. Exhale up, inhale, exhale back to center, and lower down. Now you're going to use the chair seat. And you can do this against a wall if you need balance. Then you would place your chair against a wall. And we'll start with the left leg forward. So left leg on the chair. So you can imagine a wall right here. Hands to your hips to start. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, get longer in your spine. Exhale, twist left. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, and exhale. Got it? Inhale, center, and lower down. Other side. So, foot to chair seat. You can keep hold of the chair the whole time for balance, and then eventually you have to let go, so that's why you might need a wall. So, lengthen. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, twist to the right. Notice your belly and your heart are what's twisting, not your hips. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. Come to Tadasana. Find that center. Find your feet parallel. Now, chair moves out of the way. Let's come to our hands and knees. Step your left leg forward and take your, now let's start with the back knee on the ground, that's better. Inhale, hands to your heart, and this is going to Feel familiar? Exhale, twist left, and then exhale, bow. Maybe you can hook this elbow to the outside of the left leg, maybe not, and inhale, center. So you can keep going like this, or lift the back knee, do the same thing, inhaling, and exhale. Inhale, we'll do just one more, and exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower the knee, and switch sides, however you want to do it. Hands on the floor, hands not on the floor. Back knee can start down. Inhale, lengthen. Pelvic floor is engaged even with your knees on the floor. Exhale, twist left, and bow. Inhale, back to center. Knee on or off the floor. Exhale, twist. Inhale. However you want to do it, you have two more. Exhale. Inhale. And turn the belly, turn the heart. And then inhale, center, back knee down, both knees, and come to sitting on your heels, Vajrasana, hands in front of your heart. Feel the power, the strength, and the mobility that you have now in your hips. Can't wait to hear in the comments below how this worked for you. What was your absolute favorite stretch or strengthener? And how did you use it? Did you use it for your martial arts or some other activity? Let me know. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.